Hello, I'm Margot Politis. Welcome to Study English, Ielts preparation. In this series, we look at the skills you'll need to write formal academic English. And you'll have the chance to listen to people talking about topics you'll find at colleges and universities. In today's episode, we're going to hear someone talking about a new type of crime, electronic crime. Listen carefully to this police officer. Then we're going to look at word families and do some spelling.
It is a new frontier, and there are old traditional forms of crime being committed electronically and via computers and the internet, but there are also new crime types emerging. Electronic crime really does cross over a whole range of different crime types. You can imagine stalking offences that may be facilitated via email, harassment, threatening emails, small-scale fraud offences, right up through to large-scale frauds committed via the internet.
Okay, so let's have a closer look at that clip. We're going to focus on vocabulary building and word groups. But first, listen again to this sentence. See if you can hear the key word, the main subject of the sentence.
It is a new frontier, and there are old traditional forms of crime being committed electronically and via computers and the internet.
He says there are old traditional forms of crime being committed electronically. The key word is crime. That's what the sentence is about. Crime is a noun. We say that a crime is committed or done. To commit a crime is to do something illegal. Let's have a closer look at the word crime. In English, many words can change to have different uses. In this way, they form word groups. Learning word groups is an excellent way to build your vocabulary. You should write them down in a table like this, showing adjectives, nouns, verbs, and adverbs. Of course, there are often at least two different sorts of nouns for things and nouns for people. Let's have a look at the crime word group. Crime is a noun. It's a thing. A criminal is a person who commits a crime. Criminal is also the adjective. We can describe something by using the word criminal before the noun. That was a criminal act. And we have the adverb criminally. To behave criminally is to behave in an illegal way. There's no verb from crime. We have to use the phrase to commit a crime. Okay, we'll come back to our table a bit later. Right now, listen to what sort of crimes are being committed these days and listen for an ly adverb.
It is a new frontier, and there are old traditional forms of crime being committed electronically and via computers and the internet.
He says there are old forms of crime being committed electronically. Electronically is an adverb. It means in an